Hey everyone, so in this video I will be sharing with you all the CVS ad and also some good deals that you will be able to get on is a women's wellness event, and there are vitamins and things of that sort, body washes, water, just different things. They got a little bit of Valentine's Day stuff. Also, the next page, it's makeup. Um, so on this page we have Maybelline, CoverGirl, Revlon, and L'Oreal. So the next thing we have is Listerine mouthwash. So Listerine mouthwash, you would get a coupon from the CVS Red Box, or it will be sent to your CVS app. So make sure you download the CVS app. It's very important to do that. Next, we got different types of food and stuff. Okay, so this looks like something new. It say buy three, get $10 in extra care bucks. And what's included is the Bounty, Tide, Crest, Pampers, Herbal Essence, and Head and Shoulders. That could be a really good deal, especially with the Crest mouthwash, the Herbal Essence, and the Head and Shoulders, because you would have coupons, and if you have CRTs, that will be able to work because you can stack CRTs with manufactured coupons at CVS. You got more vitamins and things of that nature. And different medicines. We got feminine care, buy one get one half off, which sometimes I like that deal, but the deal that I like the most is when they be having the always deal, like um 2 for $8 or something like that, and you also get coupons. I really like that a lot. So we have more medicines and vitamins and stuff for colds. So they have hauls on sale. Buy two for $4 and you get an extra buck. So that's a good deal. So next we have um Flonase, razors. It's a lot of medicine deals on here. Alright, so here goes my favorite part. So CVS have Colgate toothpaste on sale. Crest toothpaste on sale. So um one of them is on sale for $3.99, and it's on sale for $3.99. In our on our ad come Sunday, we will have a $2 um coupon. Plus, when you buy two, you get a $5 extra care buck. So make sure you check the newspapers. Make sure you check the newspapers and see if they got coupons also. I haven't looked at the newspapers yet, so I'm not sure. And they have another one on sale for $4.99 in that same $2 off coupon. You buy two, you get a $5 extra care buck. And these are really great deals. And I might be going to CVS next week. So anyone that's new and y'all haven't seen me going actually shopping in the store, next week, God's will, y'all be able to see that. And I'll be real excited going to the store at CVS. I love that store. So next I see some more buy three get $10 extra care bucks, and we had the Pantene, the one for three for $12.99, and the other one is three for $15, and it's a $5 manufactured coupons. So that might actually be a good deal with some CRTs. Okay. So here goes another shampoo deal. Buy two, get $2 extra care buck. And this Tresemme is 2 for $9. And in the paper, there will be a coupon for that. We also have Shea Moisture, buy one get one half off. And also in our inserts, we will be getting a $3 coupon. And we have Dove, buy one get one half off. Men Care. And another one we have Garnier Whole Blends, 2 for $7, and we are getting a $4 manufactured coupon. So it looks like this week is going to be good. So what's next? Okay, the women's wellness event, and they got different. They got Dove shampoo, allspice, hair brushes, perfume, different things like that. Olay, Nivea, Axe and Dove. And they got Speed Stick on sale. This would be a good deal. Buy one get one half off, and buy two get $2 and extra care bucks. It'll be good if there is a CVS CRT to go with that, because they always come out really cheap and sometimes even free at times. They have National Last Day, buy two get one free. They have National Last Day. Have y'all ever heard that before? This is my first time seeing it. And they got nails and stuff on sale with extra care bucks. And let's see what else they got. More stuff with the women's wellness. They got Maxwell House. They got Lipton iced tea on sale 2 for $8. What's this? Family size cereal, buy one get one free. Uh, that might not be a good deal. So I'm just looking through everything now, and the main things that I look for, the main things that I look for when I'm couponing is mostly like personal care stuff and household stuff. So yeah. So that's all for this video. They have quite a few things on sale that I am going to look into getting, which is the um, Colgate and the shampoo and conditioner because we is kind of running low. I didn't buy a shampoo and conditioner in like 2 or 3 years because I already had some. Yeah, like 2 or 3 years because I had some, and I didn't buy toothpaste for like 6 months, and we down to the last two. So before I go out and buy some, I need to try to get these for free, you know? But anyway, I hope you like this video. May you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.